everyone, in this video let's discuss how to convert the given infix expression into the postfix expression. So if you see here, let's discuss about the operator precedence first. So the first precedence will be for the brackets, second for the exponential power, third will be for the multiplication and division. So both will be having the same precedence, fourth will be for the addition and subtraction. Now if you see, when you occur the multiplication and division or addition and subtraction simultaneously in an equation, for example a plus b minus d. So if you see here I am having addition also, I am having subtraction also, but both of them are having the same precedence. So now in this situation, who will be getting the more precedence means you will be moving from the left hand side towards the right hand side. So it is called as the left to right associativity. When you are moving from left hand side towards right hand side, whoever comes first, they will be getting the priority. So among plus and minus, who is coming first? Plus is coming first. So plus will be getting the more priority. Same for multiplication and division. So when multiplication and division will be there in the same equation, who will be coming first from left hand side to right hand side, they will be getting the precedence first. Now, if you see here, to shift the top of the stack element. So in this stack, we will be filling the operators. Only operators are allowed to fill here. So when we fill the operators here, the operator to insert has the same precedence. That is, you are inserting plus, and in the top of the stack we are having minus. Both these plus and minus are having the same precedence. At this time, what you will be doing is, you will be taking the top of the stack element and you will just push it to the postfix. Now, the second scenario tells more precedence than the operator to be newly inserted. Now, if you see, I have the, for example, I have the exponential power in the top of the stack, and now I want to insert plus. So, if you see the precedence, exponential is having the more precedence than the addition. So, in this situation, when the newly inserted value is less than the top of the stack operator precedence, so this will be shifted here. So, when the top of the stack operator having the more precedence than the newly inserted operator, then you can push the operator to the postfix. Now let's solve the problem, you will get the understanding easily. Now, one element you take. First one is open bracket. So it will be in the stack since it is a operator, and you will not write anything in the postfix. Next I must write capital letter A. Stack will remain as it is, and I will write the capital letter A directly into the postfix. Because in this postfix you can directly write the letters or you can write the numbers like that. Now I must insert plus. So plus. Now I must insert plus in the top of the stack of the operator. I am having the open bracket. Open bracket is having more precedence than the plus. So I must shift this open bracket. But this is an exception. Since you are converting from the infix to postfix, in the postfix expressions we will be not having the brackets. In the postfix expression, we will not have the brackets. So, when the bracket you want to push it towards the postfix, you should not do. So, this is the only exception. What is the exception? You should not shift the open bracket or the closed bracket towards the postfix directly. Now, open bracket will remain as it is and plus will be coming here. And in postfix, we will be having A. Next, I must insert capital letter B. Since it is a letter, you can directly insert it to the postfix expression. Next time we must insert the exponential power. So, exponential power and top of the stack I am having plus. So, this exponential is having more precedence than the top of the stack. When the operator in the top of the stack is having more precedence, then only you should put. But here plus is having less precedence than newly inserted value. So it will remain as it is. Plus exponential power, here A and B will remain as it is. Next, capital letter C. So open bracket plus exponential A, B, C. Next, closed bracket. So closed bracket means open bracket plus exponential closed bracket. When open bracket will also be there and closed bracket will also be there, and whatever the element which will be inside the open bracket and closed bracket must be directly shifted towards the postfix. When the elements are in between the open bracket and closed bracket, you must just shift the element within them. You should not push the open or closed bracket. So now A, B, C will remain as it is. From the right hand side, right towards the left hand side. That is, first the exponential will come, next plus will come. So you must not shift the open bracket and closed bracket towards the postfix expression. Now I must insert multiplication. So my stack is empty because the elements were shifted right there, and I should not shift the open and closed bracket. So only multiplication is left in the stack. And this will remain as it is, A, B, C exponential plus. Now I must insert capital letter D. In the top of the stack we are having only multiplication. In the postfix, A, B, C exponential power plus, and D is a letter, so I can directly insert it to postfix. Now I must insert plus. So if you see here, the value which I want to insert is having the less precedence than the top of the stack. That is, top of the stack is having more precedence. So I must shift it towards the postfix. A, B, C exponential plus D multiplication. So only plus will remain here. Now I must insert E. Since E is a operand or a letter, you can directly insert it to the postfix expression. Now I want to insert the exponential power. So exponential power is having the more precedence than the top of the stack. That is, here top of the stack is having the less precedence. Less precedence means keep it as it is. So A, B, C exponential plus D multiplication E. Next I want to insert 5. So 5 is a number. You can directly insert it to the postfix. Plus and exponential will remain as it is. A, B, C exponential plus D multiplication E, and 5 will come here. Now if you see, there is no element to insert now. So you must empty the stack in the last step. In the stack we are having the exponential power and plus. So from the right hand side, right towards the left hand side. First you will be shifting the exponential power, next you will be shifting the plus. So if you see here, we have converted the given infix expression into the postfix expression. So keep these two conditions in the mind. Whenever the operator to insert is having the same precedence of the operator in the top of the stack, then you will be shifting the top of the stack operator to the postfix. Or else, when the top of the stack operator is having the more precedence than the newly inserted operator, then you will be shifting the more precedence top of the stack element or the operator towards the postfix. And when there will be a bracket, open bracket and closed bracket, you will be writing the elements from the right hand side towards left hand side. Here also right hand side towards the left hand side, and you will push it to the postfix. In the last step, remember you must empty the stack. So from right hand side towards the left hand side, you will shift the operators. So hope you understood the concept how to convert the given infix expression into the postfix expression. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.